Hello everybody, it's Mimi J. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a subscriber, and thanks if you are. This is a quick Target Dollar Spot haul and a project share. I got these things last week, and most of them were $1, some were $3. The little pumpkins that were already painted. As you can see, I've made little magnet clips with them, or yeah, the magnet clips. So they already come painted, so you can get a nice start with that and a quick project. This one I covered with Glossy Accents and glitter, and just put a little sticker on. The sticker is also from the Target Dollar Spot. And okay, so these things are from Michaels. That's the Glossy Accents. And I picked out some orange glitter, and it's a pumpkin color. Just looking back, these are the stickers. I thought these were a great buy. Puffy Halloween stickers just for $1 for all of these. And I just took one of the small ones to use on that particular clip. And to keep from having too much glitter shed, because you know glitter, I did spray it with this Krylon Satin Finish sealer. I glued that sticker on with some E6000 so that just to give it some extra staying power. And so this is how the glittery one looks. And the others I left the color that they were, and you can either stamp these on or draw them on, but I made jack-o'-lanterns. And these were actually $1 for 3 of these, and so started with those just like with the glitter one, but I used some stamps that I had gotten half price at Michaels. And they have the little jack-o'-lantern faces, along with some dies and things. And of course you'll need some black ink. And I used a block, a clear block, to put my stamp on and then apply it. After inking it up, I applied the jack-o'-lantern faces to the clips, and I did go back in with a really fine Sharpie and do some defining on some. But like I say, you don't have to have the stamps. You can just use a Sharpie and draw it yourself. If you think you might have some smudges, then that could happen, or just some slips, some paint. The color of the pumpkins would be good. That was tangerine color in the Craft Smart from Michaels. These are some magnets I picked up on Amazon, but you can get a really good deal on magnets at Walmart, although they'll be black. And I used my E6000 to glue them on the back of the clips, and just, give them some time to dry, but that E6000 will hold so nicely for you. You won't have to worry about those little magnets popping off. They do come with some sticky stuff on them, but I don't trust it for the long haul. So here's how all of them looked. I think they turned out really, really well. And I apologize for my scratchy voice. I have had an upper respiratory thing for about a week, so I'm a little behind, but I did want to share this with you. And once again, all these woodcuts, the larger packages of the woodcuts were $3 a piece, but the other items were $1 a piece. And I did get 3 packs of the little clips with the pumpkins on them. And I have all the rest left, all those woodcuts, and this package of clothespins from Dollar Tree. So all those clothespins for just $1. I can go back and use those and make lots more clips, use them for magnets, or leave the magnets off and just use them for journals to mark, bookmarks. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe and click the bell. And thank you so much for watching. Please come back. Would love to have you as a subscriber.